Guys, Glenn with Old School Millennial. Today I have a special event that I've gone to. It's the Kioti dealer event, and I'm here to check out the equipment that they have released in the last year. And then I'm also going to be hopefully testing out some of the equipment tomorrow at the Ride and Drive. So my eye is definitely on this baby tomorrow, so we'll check it out.
I want to thank Kioti for sponsoring this video and having us out to try out the new equipment that they have. They had so many pieces of equipment to check out. This is one of the things I've been looking forward to trying out. And
this is nice. All right, you guys, we're checking out the inside of this track loader. We got our AC controls over here. It's very spacious. Very cool. Hopefully we'll get a chance to sit in another track loader that's we're able to drive in here tomorrow. Awesome.
this is the day of the Ride and Drive, and we're here to check out and drive and test out all the latest equipment for Kioti. Check out the tractors, the skid steers, the track loaders, more tractors. But first, let's check out the K9s, the side-by-sides, and check out their drive on the side-by-side trail.
We're going to go low gear, so all the way up. We're going to keep these down. Emergency brakes right here, so push it up when you're ready to go. Seatbelts on, perfect.
That was a lot of fun running on the side-by-side trails. After that, we tried the zero-turn mowers. The next thing I tried out was a 4-in-1 bucket, which is a pretty cool setup if you haven't checked out the 4-in-1 buckets. It has a lot of different uses. I had my eye on this RX model that they had released and added some new features on this year. It's a really cool tractor. This is one of the biggest tractors I've tried out. After instruction from this gentleman here, I got it to going and got to move some round bales around with it. That was fun checking out the RX model, but now to something I'm a little bit more familiar with, and this is the 2620. It's basically the latest iteration of the 2610.
All right, hey guys, I'm here with Joel with Kioti. He's a product manager, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this tractor. We're standing in front of a 2620, the latest model, and it's got some cool new features on it. Joel, if you can, just share a little bit about some of the new aspects of this tractor versus last year's tractor.
Sure. So the first thing you notice is the styling. So it's got a sleek new design to the hood. a new LED light package on the front so you get better visibility at night and in dark conditions. And then of course, this being an SE model, it's got a lot of premium features here with the cab. So one of the big things that you'll notice is that this one's got electric over hydraulic PTO. Look at the joystick handle, it's already got the 2 buttons on it, so it's pre-wired for a third function. So overall, that's that's some of the features that you'll notice between the 10 series and the 20 series.
So, okay, we got air conditioning and heat.
Ooh, this is nice.
So you've got a charging port right here.
Oh, nice.
So you can plug in a 12 volt power outlet. You've also got an aux port and a USB port. And it's really intuitive for people like first time buyers or operators that just haven't been on a tractor a whole lot. The hydrostat is super easy to operate, and then the brake pedal is right there. So it's almost like gas, brake. Well, now it's forward, reverse, brake.
Okay.
So it makes it very intuitive for an operator.
I love checking out this new Tech 2620, especially with the cab. It was nice to see how the air conditioner worked on this thing. For these Texas summers that we have out here, that cab is calling my name. This 2620 felt a lot like the 2610, but with the cab, it definitely had some major creature comforts for me, and I enjoyed that for sure.
You looking to upgrade?
Maybe so. We'll talk later, Melody.
After seeing it in person, I finally got a chance to try out this sweet machine.
You'll have to talk me through a little bit.
Absolutely. All right, so basic controls for this is a ISO pattern machine, so pretty industry standard. So your left joystick there will be all of your drive controls, so forward, back, side to side.
Okay.
Your 2-speed button will be on the front. Right now you're in the first speed, which should be good for what we're doing right here.
Got it.
So that'll be for your loader controls. So I don't know if you run like a tractor or something like that.
Yeah.
Same kind of pattern for the loader, like tilting.
So lifting
lift
up, and then is this your cutter?
Yep. So
Okay.
yeah, all of our auxiliary controls are right in the joystick here. So when you're ready to go, lap bars are down, you'd hit that green button. That'll unlock the machine for you. The auxiliaries are already activated. So
So the green button will unlock it to be able to run it. Okay.
yep, to run the machine.
Do I need to put it in any kind of clutch or anything, or
Nope,
no?
nope. It's all hydrostatic, so it's just on demand.
Okay, got it.
So, yep, once you're ready to go, I'll have you bring the door down,
Okay.
which is just undoing these two latches. So you'll
Okay.
unlock those,
Okay.
and then those two thumb
Okay.
right there to bring it down. And this will be your RPM control here, so your engine dial. We also have a foot pedal down there if you want it a little more on demand.
I gotcha. Okay.
So when you're ready to run the attachment, you click on this button, it turns on the attachment. When you're ready to turn it off, you just click it again, and it'll turn on.
Got it.
Sweet.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, I'll let you get a feel for the machine here.
Okay.
It was so much fun to try out this track loader. It handled the cutting no problem whatsoever, and this thing's got some power behind it. I'd be interested to see how this does, like doing lane clearing and stuff like that. But this thing seems to be a capable machine. This was definitely one of the highlights for me. I don't know how it could get much better than this.
Okay guys, so last night was a Trace Atkins concert, and we got to stay and watch him last night. And this morning we go to breakfast, and today actually happens to be Melody's birthday. So we're sitting there at breakfast this morning, and there's a gift, there's a prize rather, for whoever's birthday it is today. So guess who won a Trace Atkins hat?
This is the exact hat he was wearing last night, and he signed it. And
Birthday to Melody.
Thanks you guys for joining me today. I had a lot of fun checking out all this new Kioti equipment. As always, you guys, get outside and do something you love.